In today's video, I'll be showing you just one company where all the job you have to do is to type and end. With this job, you do not have to have any experience. All you have to do is get your fingers ready and type for them. Also, you can apply for this job from anywhere in the world. This job is worldwide, so if you are from Nigeria or Jamaica, Uganda, Ghana, America or anywhere else in the world, you can also try this out. So if you are new here, my name is Sam, and on this channel I review different companies which are ready to employ you on a remote job. I also talk about different opportunities to make money online. So if this is a topic you love, make sure to like this video. When you like this video, you will get to see more videos like this one, which will allow you to get more information about available remote job from other videos. And also I would advise that you subscribe to this channel, because I publish a new video every Sunday and you never can tell which video I am going to make that will work for you, right? So please subscribe to this channel. With this being said, let us go into the video. Before I go on with the video, I want to quickly note that there are more remote job openings you can do with this company. How you can find them is simply going to the bottom of their website, where you will see careers. Tap on it, scroll down a bit, and you will see open positions with this company. Now with this being said, let us go and see how you can join this company as a transcriber. Now this is the typing job. How to find this typing job is for you to go to the bottom of the screen, click on the button that says join us as a transcriber. So for the sake of this video, I will just click on that right now. Now what we will first see on this page is transcription jobs available worldwide. Join Go Transcripts and be part of a global team of professional transcriptionists. Watch how to join. Now I would really recommend that you watch this video, as it will really expose you to how to join their company as a transcriber. Now let us read what is written on this website. We pay competitive rate for our online transcription jobs. Go Transcript is a driver-based transcription and translation company. We are always looking to fill our open freelance transcription jobs so we can grow our team and keep pace with customers' orders. If you are a skilled transcriptionist who takes pride in your work and you want to make a difference in the world, we want you. Now they pay up to $0.60 per audio or video minute, and they pay averagely earning per month $150. They pay and top monthly earnings for this company is $1,215. Most interesting thing is that you can work as much as you want on this website and you can get paid as much as you want. So let's go on further to read what we have more on this website. He said, please note, buying and selling Go Transcript account is illegal. If you buy an account, you will lose money, because we have implemented safeguards to prevent illegal account purchases. Now these are the frequently asked questions about this company. The first question goes thus: what vacancies are available? And the answers to this is, we are currently only hiring for transcriber position. Okay, so what are your payment modes? We pay via PayPal and Payoneer only. So if PayPal is not working in your country like Nigeria, you can choose to use Payoneer. Now the next question is, what is the payment rate? We pay for the job done. The average payment rate is $0.60 per minute of audio transcribed. Now the next question, when will I get paid? Payments are generated every Friday. Another question, do you hire worldwide? The answer is yes, they hire worldwide. Do I need to pay any fee? No, that's just an absolute answer to that. No. Do I have to upload any file myself? No, file upload section are for clients. Okay, so do you take care of my taxes? No, this is a freelance job and all taxes are handled by yourself. Okay, can I have multiple accounts on Go Transcript? The answer is no. We talked about this earlier. That is against our rule. All applications submitted from the same IP are declined. Alright, so can I work with multiple languages? The answer to this is yes. Can I use my phone for work? The answer to this is yes, but we recommend using a laptop or a PC to use our transcription tools effectively. Alright, so do I need any equipment? The answer is just your PC, other device, and set of headphones. Yeah. Okay. Can I use a foot pedal? The answer is yes. Alright. So the next question is, what is the application process for English transcriber? Now, there are 4 application processes, which is sign up or register at gotranscript.com/register. The link will be in the video description, so make sure you check it out. Okay, let's read further. Number 2, study the guidelines at gotranscript.com/transcription guidelines. Okay. Number 3, study the samples that are in the guidelines. Alright. So number 4, process, take the tests. That means you are going to take the test before you are employed by this company. Alright. The next question says, what foreign languages are you hiring for, and what is the application process? The number 1 is sign up or register, gotranscript.com/register. Number 2, process, to check if there is a test available for your language, go here, gotranscript.com/translation jobs. Alright, click now to apply, and let's read further. Another question says, I created a customer client account, what should I do? The answer is, there are no separate client and employee accounts. Upon sign up, all accounts are the same, but you get to see the work section when you pass your test. Alright, so do I have to get all the questions in the quiz, right? The answer is yes. I get the wrong answers error. Is that right? It means that you answered one or a few of the questions incorrectly. The quiz is working as it should be. There are no bugs or technical faults. Alright, so can I choose multiple answers? Yes, some questions might have several correct answers, and you have to mark all the correct options to pass. Alright, so why is the quality of the audio test so bad? We usually get the great recording, but we also work with files that are not as clear. We need to know you can handle those kind of jobs using guidelines you have studied. Alright, so what is the minimum accuracy rate needed to pass? The answer to this is at least 95%. Alright, so if I fail, can I take the test again? The answer to this is yes, you can use the same account to take the test again. Do not create multiple accounts, as this will get your application declined automatically. Now, how to apply for this job is to scroll up and press on the apply now button, okay, as I will do in this video right now. Kindly note that your location does not matter for this kind of job, so go ahead and give this a try and let me know in the comment section. If you want to learn one of the ways I have been making money online, check the video description to register for a premium course on Amazon KDP, and you too can get to see these results like these ones in a matter of weeks or days. Okay, so click on the video showing on the screen right now to apply for a writing remote job which pays you up to $2,000 per month. And this is all, guys. Thank you for seeing this video, and I will see you in my next video.